Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you for multiplying and dividing rational numbers. So I'm going to divide my thing in half. So we have negative 9/10 times negative 3 over 1. Multiply straight across. 9 times 3 is 27. 10 times 1 is 10. 27 divided by 10 goes in 2 times. 7 left over, so it's 2 7/10. Keep same signs, both positives. Sleeping dog, both negatives, so it is positive. Negative 1/2 times 3/4. Multiply straight across. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. One's positive, one's negative, so your answer is negative. For this one, you could go fractions or decimals. I'm going to go decimals just to practice. So 1/2 equals 5/10. So that is 3.5. So 6.25 times 3.5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 1 is 31. Tic-tac-toe. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 times 3 is 18. 5, 7, 8, 2. Bring your decimal over twice, and it is 21.875, and it is one's positive, one's negative, so it is negative. Okay, so this next one, I also would probably go decimals, but I'm going to go fractions just to practice with you. So 2 6/10, which is 3/5, times 5 1/5. We got to cartwheel around, multiply, and then add. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 plus 3 is 13/5. Times 26/5. 13 times 26 is 338 divided by 25. Goes in 1 time. Goes in 3 times, 75. 13 left over. and 13 25ths. Okay, and it is positive. Or if you did it as a decimal, it'd be 13.52. Okay. Okay, so here we go with some dividing. I'm going to do this video with getting a common denominator and dividing the numerators. So 22 over 1 divided by 2/3, common denominator of 3. So times 3 would be 66. 66 divided by 2 is 33 over 1, which is just 33. They're both positive, so it's positive. 24 over 1 divided by 8 over 9, negative. Common denominator of 9. 24 times 9 is 216. So it is 216 divided by 8. 8 goes into 21. 2 times, that's 16. 5 left over. Bring down the 6, goes in 7 times, 56. It is negative 27. Because one's positive and one's negative. Next one, I would go fractions. 2 3/4 divided by negative 1/4. Cartwheel around, 8, 9, 10, 11 fourths divided by 1/4. Negative 1/4 is 11 over 1, so it's negative 11. You could go decimals, 2.75 divided by 0.25, either way. This one I for sure would go decimals. Look how gross that number is. It's fine for dividing. And then 2/5 is 4/10. So we need to slide, baby, slide, and then raise the roof. 4 goes 0 times, it goes in 6 times. Bring down the 1, goes in 0 times. Bring down the 2, goes in 3 times. 1 positive, 1 negative, 3 negative, and there's your answer.